fellow travelers, welcome to our channel, Sun&Fun Travelers. We're going to give you a step-by-step points on how we pick vacations yearly on a budget. Number 1, we try to find resorts that offer the best bang for our money. We budget for 3 7-day vacations in a year, totaling a cost of $10,000 or less for 2 people. Number 2, we create a checklist of the important essentials we look for and like to have for our vacation. For example, here is our list we look for: large pools, a nice beach to walk, good gym for workouts, numerous restaurants to enjoy, decent food, decent drinks, and a decent room, some entertainment to enjoy, and another thing, distance from the airport. We don't like to be on a bus for too long. Better flight times for more resort enjoyment. Preferably an adult resort first, but family resorts are okay too. Number 3, we prepare a large yearly calendar for planning far in advance to get good prices to book. A note, we also include cancellation insurance to the trips when we book far in advance. You just never know if something's going to come up in the future to cause a disruption to your vacation. For a few $100s, it's well worth it, and it saves you from losing thousands. Number 4, we use travel sites like Trip Central with yearly, monthly, and weekly calendar prices of all the resorts. Also, we look at the star ratings to find choice deals. Then we narrow the resorts we pick down to 5. Number 5, we set aside time and begin watching hours of countless videos over and over from resort sites, travel sites, YouTube, and Facebook. This takes time, but when all is said and done, we basically know the resort before we even get there. Save time looking for things when you arrive at the resort and gives you a total understanding of it. Number 6, we look at times of the year for seasonal weather issues. High times and low times makes a big difference on the pricing, especially if you're trying to budget in more than one vacation a year. Number 7, we try to avoid country holidays and high seasons. Why, you ask? The resort will encounter much more volume craziness with local vacationers. This will cause longer wait times for check-in, booking dinners, getting drinks at the bar, or getting a poolside server to bring you drinks. Buffet lines are bigger, food replenishment takes a little bit more time, finding lounge chairs. If you have a room issue and you call down for services, that could take longer. Number 8, we read the latest reviews from visitors. We look for patterns of the reviews, and we also look at the star averages on the comments. Of course, not everyone is going to be satisfied, and issues may arise, but that is your discretion. Number 9, join travel destination groups on Facebook, for example, at the particular resorts that you're looking at. They offer daily information for vacationers who have been there or are there at the moment. Also subscribe to hotel links to get update information. Example, check out their restaurants on their sites and the amenities. Then you can download the resort map to familiarize yourself. And you can ask for a room location on the map when booking your vacation. Or at check-in when you arrive, you can ask them to see if it's available to get. Number 10, we look at the best times to book a vacation, like Black Friday and Cyber Mondays, for example. They offer some great deals. We also subscribe to links of the hotel to get update information. Now, there are no guarantees on weather, unfortunately, but if you put in a good amount of time and use these tools for resort research, you will prepare yourself and your family with a better understanding of what the resort you choose has to offer. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy our review content to help you with your vacation choices, we appreciate your likes and subscriptions. to help grow our channel. Happy travels to all from Sun and Fun Travels.